Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I am just unboxing my bellabox for March, and this is the box. This is how the box looks like, and it usually used to be a blue box. Then on Christmas time we got a red box, and now we got a purple box. So I just love this color and I am collecting all the boxes. I've got blue box, red box, and now it is a purple box. So I am just collecting these boxes since I have subscribed to bellabox. And if you don't know, bellabox is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full size to simple size product, and it's always delivered direct to your doors. So I just received this box yesterday, and this video will go up on Friday. So I am uploading 2 videos in a week, Monday and Friday. So do subscribe and stay subscribed if you want to watch my future videos, and all the links for the social media will be listed below in the description box. And don't forget to enter my giveaway, which is still open, international. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin with today's video and see what I got in this month's box. So let's open. I couldn't wait because I wanted to see what's inside, so I opened it yesterday and I love everything I saw in here. So the first thing is this card which says March 2018 Superpower Beauty, and it has all the products name and their retail value at the back. So the first product is this, is an amazing product. So it's a lipstick and it's by Model Co, and the packaging looks like this. And it's Sienna. And it's so pretty. I am wearing this lipstick right now, but I have combined with one of the lip liner and the lip gloss. So I will show you later which lip liner I used. So it is that pinkish nude shade, and it's so pretty, and when you apply it's very creamy and it dries kind of matte, and I love it so much. So let's see what's the price of this lipstick. And this is a full size product and it retails for $17, and it's available at modelcocosmetic.com. So this was the value of the box, $17.95 I paid, and I got the full price of the box in one product. So that's quite amazing. So the second product is this Hailey Baldwin for Model Co lip gloss. So this one is in shade Bewitched. So this is how the lipstick looks like. This is not the lipstick, it's a lip gloss. So I am wearing this lip gloss on top of this lipstick with one of this lip liner I got from eBay, and this one is just a brown lip liner. I'll switch it here. So this is the lip liner I'm wearing, and this is the lipstick, and on top of this lipstick I am wearing this lip gloss. This is a kind of red, yeah, it's a red lip gloss. So I did combine all these 3 together to get this shade, and I love it. I love the combination of these 3 products. And this lip gloss retails for $25. Wow. And it is a full-size product, and it retails for $25 just for one lip gloss. And it's not that sticky, but I just applied little bit in the middle, then I dabbed it with my finger. So let's move on, and the third product is this NYX Professional Makeup Bolting Powder. This one is in shade BLP04 Deep Pore Fond. It also comes with a mirror and a little applicator. So let's see. I am a bit sweating, so let's see this area. I just wanted to apply. It's quite a nice product, and I really love this color. It's exactly what I needed. It's very, very beautiful color, and it is 6.5 gram, retails for $18.95. So let's see how much is this. So this one is 8.2 gram. So this is bigger than this one. So this one is bigger than what is actually mentioned in here, 6.55 gram. So this one is 8.2 gram, and 6.5 retails for $18.95 and available at priceline.com.au and nyxcosmetic.com.au. So the next product is this Skin Food. It's a product of New Zealand, I think, and it's a mud mask, and it is 20 ml. And this product is inspired by their proud New Zealand root and sourcing sustainable bioactive food-based ingredients directly from nature. Skin Food New Zealand has designed a range of products that will feed your skin and balance your being with a delicious selection of skincare products that are paraben-free, natural, organic, and proudly approved by the UK Vegetarian Society. Skin Food New Zealand promote beautiful skin and natural food-based beauty. So this product retails for $15.95, 100 ml, and this one is only 20 ml sample size, and you can get it from skinfood.co.New Zealand or visit bioliving.com.au. So you can get it from bioliving.com.au. Smells nice. And the next product is this UVIQ Anti-Pollution Facial Sunscreen Milk Normal Oily SPF 50+. Oh, it's such a long name. And this product, we have been getting so much of sunscreen products and recently, and this product is just a sample size. So this is 10 ml. So this is a sunscreen milk, so it will be like a milk. And it smells really nice. And it is very moisturizing, and it gives that shiny effect to my skin. And this product retails for $29.95, 50 ml, and this one is just a 10 ml, and you can buy it from Chemist Warehouse. So the last product is this Nature's Commons scents purple body wash. So this is just a sample. And if you guys loved this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell notification, and follow me on all social media sites, Twitter, Facebook page, Instagram and Snapchat. I am around everywhere, and I am posting every day on Instagram live and on Snapchat. So do follow me on Snapchat. You will know exactly what I am up to every day. So this was it for today, and I hope you guys loved it, and thanks so much for watching. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.